Hey everybody, welcome back to There's More in You series. My name is Karana Wilson, and thank you so much for all your love, your support. I appreciate the encouragement. I got phone calls, I have received email, text messages about last week's message, which was be encouraged. And today's message, this Motivational Monday today, is finish. Finish strong. Finishing is better than starting. It is so easy to begin something and stop, pick it up, stop. But the challenge is finishing your goals, finishing what you said you wanted to do. And it's so important to push yourself to continue it to the end. I remember back in 2014, I did a race with Biggest Loser. And I was so excited. This is my second 5K. And I was looking forward to finishing. But when I got to the race and I'm excited, I'm running, I get halfway through, I realized there were a lot of hills. Side note, please do your research before you begin and before you get started on anything. I was not aware of all the hills and everything, but I had to push through the pain. Sometimes in life, when you're working on your goals and when you're completing projects, if it's finishing school, if it's your debt, you're working on your debt, if it's this relationship or ministry, whatever it is that you're working on, your business, and you're starting it, you have to finish it to the end. And in that beginning portion, you may experience some challenges in your body or challenges financial, relationships, whatever it may be. Life happens to us all. But I encourage you, as I encourage myself, you have to finish. And my goal was to finish this race within an hour. And in spite of the hills, and my asthma was bothering me, and there were some things that were trying to stop me to complete this race. But no matter what, I was determined, I am going to finish strong. But what I would say again, please, again, do your research. What it's going to take for you to complete this race, or what information you need to know to complete the classes in school, or how much study time. Do your research before you begin. But whatever you do, finish strong. Do not continue. Like I used to in the past. I used to start something. Oh, I'll get back to it. Start this. Oh, I'll get back to it, because it started to become more challenging. And challenges come to make us stronger. So what I had to learn to do is complete it no matter what happened in my life. So as I got to the end, within the hour, I had to complete this race. I completed this 5K race, 45 minutes and 39 seconds. I have the medal to show and to prove that I completed my goal. You have to finish. There are people on the other side waiting on you. They're looking forward to you at the finish line. There were people literally I've never met before a day in my life cheering me on at the finish line. They encouraged me. I was so excited. I met some amazing people that I'm still in connections with. And you don't know who is on the other side waiting on you to finish that only you can complete. There is a gift in you, there is a goal in you, there's something on the inside of you that only you can finish. Nobody else can do it but you. So all those amazing women that held me and hugged me as we cried and excited, because wow, I did this. But I did it with the push. People running by along the race saying, hey, don't give up, don't give up. There are people going to cheer you on along your journey to tell you, do not quit. You have to finish strong. So my encouragement for you on today, this Monday, is to finish strong. Finish no matter what. No matter if they walk away, no matter if you're the only one in it, but you have to finish, because this is up to you. And again, remember, once you could get over the hurdle, there are people on the other side waiting for you. I love you and I appreciate you all. I am so looking forward to some comments and how this day or this Motivational Monday has encouraged you to finish strong. Be encouraged. I love and appreciate everybody. Follow me on Instagram, K Wilson, K_Wilson, R as in Randy, or Facebook, Karana Wilson. Thank you so much. As I continue to recognize there's more in me, I pray that you continue to recognize there is more in you as well. See you next Monday.